In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to change the alarm sound on your Samsung device. Whether you're tired of the default alarm sound or just want to switch things up, it's easy to customize the alarm sound to something that suits your preferences. To get started, open up the clock app on your Samsung device and then tap on the alarm that you want to change the sound of. After that, tap Alarm Sound. Now it will show you these options. Tap Ringtone. And then allow permission. Now you'll see all the available ringtones. You can tap and select any ringtone you like, and it will play a little preview of what it's going to sound like. You can change the alarm volume using this volume slider at the bottom. You can also tap on the plus button at the top right to select a custom ringtone. Once you've selected your ringtone, go back and tap Save at the bottom right to save the changes you've made. Now, when your alarm goes off, it will play the new sound that you've chosen. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.